Hey, what's going on, y'all? I would like to welcome you back to another video with self-improvement data advice with Master Teacher of Attraction. Okay, and in this video, we're gonna be talking about how to increase your muscle to fat ratio. Okay, so y'all can stop focusing on losing weight. Um, and then in the second half of the video, we're gonna be talking about the spiritual meaning of seeing birds and how it's gonna help you as a man or woman in your life outside of women, getting women and all types of things. That's why I'm always saying it's more to life than women. Okay, um, this is gonna help you. All right, this whole video. And you may be going something in your life. I may not personally know it, but me saying this is gonna help you. Okay, because we live in an attraction-based universe, which is always what I'm saying. And I'm just trying to make sure you have the same overstanding that I do, so you can maneuver throughout this universe in a way of how I see it. Okay, because I've learned that everybody don't see things the way that I do. So I'm supposed to share my information of how I see it and how I think about it. All right. So first thing we're gonna get into, before we get into anything, y'all go ahead and make that happen. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button on this video, and hit that bell notification. All right. So how to increase your muscle ratio. All right. So first thing you got to do is make sure that you're training in a bodybuilding fashion. Now, I have a video on this channel of showing you guys how that looks. Okay, but basically, um, the advice is for natural people that ain't taking testosterone or some type of steroids. All right, so you train multiple times a week. All right, the good number to be around is 3 to 4 times a week. All right, and in those workouts, you're focusing on multiple sets. It's usually going to be right around, if you're a beginner, you want to just start off with 2 or 3 and then see how your body responds. And then you want to work your way up to whatever your body will let you go up to. Okay? Which is usually around 5, maybe 6, as you get more experience in it. But the body will let you know how many sets. Okay? The body gives feedback the day after you work out. Okay, now usually the first time you go into this style, that's going to be the longest recovery. All right, but after you get past that and you keep doing it, the body understand and overstand what you're doing. Okay, so it's going to be able to recover a lot better. All right, and then so that's what you want to focus on. And then moderate weight is what you want to focus on as well. Don't be trying to be one of these dudes and you snapping your joints trying to lift too heavy. Moderate weight, when I say that, is you want to keep the reps between 8 to 10. All right, and just work with that. Keep it simple. All right, you don't need nobody's workout plan unless you just want to support that person, which is totally fine and that's cool. All right, I'm all for that. But the second thing is you want to make sure that you're getting enough sleep. All right. I'm gonna be having another video coming out about sleeping position. All right. So I want y'all to stay tuned for that one. It's gonna be in the playlist as well in the description box. But check it out. You want to make sure you're sleeping right. All right. So the key to getting great sleep is not eating right before bed. You usually want to get 3 to 4 hours before you go to bed of no food on the stomach. Okay? Because the body uses the food from earlier in the day during the night. Okay? Since you're not moving, energy demands is at all-time low on the body during the nighttime. So it uses that energy to rebuild and repair. All right. So it basically uses the protein that you ate throughout the day at night to repair and rebuild. Okay. That's why I keep saying training does not build the muscle. It's at the actual recovery process that builds the muscle. The training just stimulates the muscle. All right. Um, and then the amount of sleep that the body is going to recover, as far as hours, is all going to be based on whether or not you trained that day, um, your job, and how active you are. When you do more, you're gonna be a lot sleepier. When you do less, you may find that you don't really even need as much sleep. Okay, um, but you're gonna find that you're gonna have a lot better sleep when you give that 3 to 4 hour break between you eating and going to bed. All right. Now you can have liquids like Gatorade or something like that right before bed to make sure the body has enough liquids to get through the night. Um, yeah, that pretty much covers sleep. I'm gonna be having another video coming out about sleep, the sleeping position that you should be in, because most of y'all are doing it wrong as far as the human race. Um, and then the third thing you want to focus on is your diet. Okay, you want to make sure that you're eating enough protein. Okay, I look at protein in terms of pounds, but you can look at protein in terms of grams. Okay, they both work very great. And another thing I want to say about sleep, um, the reason why you want to check out the video about the sleeping position is because the sleeping position affects your waist size. If you're sleeping in the wrong position, your waist is going to be bigger because it put certain sleeping positions put your digestion at a halt, and then you start holding on to more food. You start getting acid reflux. Okay, so y'all just make sure to watch out for that video. Um, so as far as diet, you want to make sure you're getting enough meat. All right, I can show y'all what I'm eating today. One of those rotisserie chickens. This whole thing is 2 pounds, so that'll cover me for the whole day. I'm gonna just eat on that throughout the whole day. If you one of them dudes or you one of them women that don't know how to cook, I just got that from one of the supermarkets in the area, and you know, eat 2 pounds. Okay. Um, Other things is 2 pounds of ground beef, 1 pound of ground beef. The body is gonna adjust based on how much you did that day or did the day before. The body runs off of the food that you ate yesterday. Okay. Um, when it comes to protein and fats, when it comes to carbs pretty much hit immediately. All right, based on whether or not it's a complex carb or a simple carb. I don't really focus on complex carbs because of the anti-nutrients that come along with them. And when it comes to fruit and vegetables, you want to use fruit and vegetables as a medicinal property. So if you constipated or something like that, and you notice that your waist is expanding, focus on that sleeping position video that I'm going to have in the description box in the playlist. And the other thing you want to focus on is if you're intaking a lot of carbs and complex carbs. All right, and you want to focus on protein and not focus on carbs. There's a lot of people going around saying that you need carbs to build muscle, but that's simply not true. Okay, you can raise the insulin because they always talk about you need to raise insulin to build muscle. You can raise insulin with protein. Okay, the spike is going to be even greater than carbs. Okay, you can go look this stuff up. All right, so you just basically use carbs for energy. That's why I like Gatorade because I ain't got to cook it up like rice or anything. Um, it don't mess up my teeth if I keep doing it like with fruits and vegetables due to the anti-nutrients. So that's how you want to look at fruits and vegetables. You want to use it as medicinal. If you feel that you're going through something, you constipated, fruits and vegetables is real good for that because of the hydration that it brings. But yeah, ground beef. You got steaks and things like that. Those are a little more expensive. Uh, if you trying to be economical, ground beef, these little chicken rotisserie chicken things, um, ground chicken, chicken breast. If you know how to cook that to be tender, you want to cook it low and slow. If you're gonna do chicken breast and add water and put aluminum foil over it in the oven. Um, what else? Ground turkey you got out there. Tilapia. You just want to make sure you add some fat to tilapia. And that's the other thing. Fat. The body uses fat for energy. Okay, and it's a longer sustaining, cleaner burning energy compared to carbs. But you don't want to go on extinction of carbs. That's why you can have things like one of these Gatorades have um, this whole thing has 58 grams of sugar. Okay, and it comes with electrolytes, sodium, and things like that. So that's a real good source of carbs right there, and it brings hydration. Um, so you would have two of those, you have enough. Okay, you will have enough carbs to get through your workout. All right, and then you have enough for the brain because the brain likes to utilize the glucose whenever it can. Um, what's the other thing? So don't go too low on your fats. Um, I also showed you guys about the digestive enzymes. I got like three with me, but let's see. This is one of them right here. I got this from GNC. This is like 240 capsules. And with this particular one right here, it says to take two after each meal. That help you break down your protein and fats because some people may have trouble digesting those because they've been eating their whole lives on a high carb type of diet. Okay, whenever your carbs is you focus on carbs more than protein, you're gonna have a higher fat to muscle ratio. What we trying to do is have a higher muscle to fat ratio, and you do that by focusing on protein. Okay, protein and fats, because protein and fat is essential, carbs is non-essential. Okay, and the fat the body can use for energy, and you won't run into the issue of gluconeogenesis, which is basically um, the body using the protein that you're intaking for energy. You don't want to use your protein for energy. You want to use it for muscle building, okay? And maintaining the musculature, maintaining the tendons, maintaining the cartilage on your body, all right? You don't want to burn it for energy. Use fat or use a little bit of carbs, okay? But fat is going to be your longer burning. When you doing something real quick, the better source would be carbs. When you doing something long and sustained, like you at work or something, it's better to use fat as energy, okay? But from doing the bodybuilding style training, you're just gonna reprogram the body to better simulate these nutrients, okay, along with these digestive enzymes. Um, trying to make sure you got things like glutamine, the digestive enzymes I showed y'all that help speed the recovery, but I think most of you guys would have the most success with digestive enzymes. So go ahead and try that out. Use them three tips, and that'll help you increase your muscle to fat ratio. Okay. Um, the other thing is seeing all these birds. Okay, and I've put some notes down of my experiences of seeing birds and certain ones and what was happening at the time of my life at certain things that I was questioning, and these birds came into my life and into my perception and how it helped me figure out the future. Okay, so birds are basically messengers of the spiritual realm. All right. And look, you ain't gotta. I'm not finna try to make you believe in this stuff, but this stuff is true. Okay. So just know that. But birds are messengers of the spiritual realm. All right. You can even say messengers of your higher self, and they use birds to send messages to you, just like numbers. All right. So certain species hold certain messages and energies to them that they sing. Like birds like to sing, and they get your attention with their melodies. Okay, so eastern bluebirds are very common out here in Missouri. I've never seen one until I came out here, and what they bring to you and the message that they bring to you is to bring happiness and joy, and basically that emotional energies is what you're gonna be feeling in the future due to something that came into your life or that's coming into your life. Okay, and they also remind you to tap into your creative energy. Okay, so for me, for instance, it was with me uh, continuing to put out videos like this and to get creative with the topics that come to me and to follow through on sharing the information with you guys, because as I share with y'all, I'm a light path 7. All right, so my purpose is that I have a higher than normal average for accumulating knowledge, experimenting with it, and dissecting it to a point where I can teach it to the masses, okay, in a way that they can understand it, okay. So that's what eastern bluebirds bring, okay. If you seeing them or if you hear their melody, you can go over to Google and type in eastern bluebird melody. So if you hear it, then boom. You also got mockingbirds out here too, and I've seen one, and they hold a certain message as well, because there's not too many species that know how to mimic the sounds of other animals or other things. Okay, so the other thing that I would see a lot is crows and ravens. Now you may be thinking that that means it's bringing death or something like that. Um, you always want to stay positive and yeah, just stay positive and get out of, just like when I told y'all about 666 and seeing that, we gonna be getting into that too. But just open your mind to not just one thing that somebody that was living in fear, told you. All right, but we gonna get to that in another video. So crows. Whenever I see crows, I notice that there is changes that's gonna be coming. Okay, and from a totality aspect, it's for the better or it's for good. All right. Um, if you're viewing it from a logical perspective, now if you're viewing it from an emotional perspective, then that's where it's kind of skewed about your perception of how you're viewing whatever it is that when you see the actual bird and what's going on in your mind and what's going on in your perception. Okay, now I've been seeing a lot of crows these past 3 days. Okay, and that's when all these people and all the toilet paper, and they was talking about coronavirus and everything was going on. Okay, so I already knew from seeing the crows in my perception that okay, there's gonna be a lot of changes coming, which happened. Okay, so I was able to accurately depict the future. So when it did happen, I'm not all over the place wondering what the hell happened. I already knew what was gonna happen. Okay, and this is why why women get so fascinated with me when they get closer to me. Okay, and this is one of the reasons it's hard for them to, go on to the next person. Because I be telling them these type of things, and then they be like, why do you know everything? It's not that I know everything, it's just I know how to read. I know how to read, and I pay attention. and I'm a great observer. Okay, so don't be scared of seeing crows or ravens. Um, yeah. So um, with cardinals, which is the red bird with the little triangular top feather, got a little black on its face. Um, when you see these now, okay, so with cardinals and blue jays, each one has a representation of your ancestors watching over you. Okay, I forget which one goes with which, but one represents a motherly, feminine uh, ancestor watching over you, and one represents a masculine, um, fatherly energy watching over you. Okay, so whatever you may be going through at that particular time, and you have a lot of questions from it, you're not sure about something, and then you see a blue jay or you see a cardinal, then that'll let you know, hey man, I know you probably can't see me from the spiritual realm, but you are good. Don't be worrying about all that stuff. You know what I'm saying? You just keep focusing on your what you know of yourself and putting that into action, and you gonna be good. I'm watching over you. You good. I'm protected. All right. So with Cardinals, the ancestors is watching over you, and plus, I usually see Cardinals before a romantic relationship of some type of significance is about to appear in my perception. Okay. Um. So if you're seeing Cardinals, and that's what I realized from my experience. And then if you're seeing Blue Jays, this represents protection, clarity. Um, Clarity is coming to you. So if you've been asking a lot of questions to yourself, you talk to yourself, which is normal. Um, and then you see a blue jay. It's it's letting you know that clarity or answers is about to come to you about the questions in your head or what you've been saying or what you've been asking. Okay, and they also represent fearlessness. Okay, I don't know if y'all ever paid attention to blue jays, but the male guards the nest and they'll guard it against bigger animals. They don't care who who finna mess with their children. Okay, you finna mess with a blue jay. If you finna mess with a male blue jay's nest, he finna be dive bombing you. He finna be doing all this stuff, and he gonna just make sure you get you better get back. You know what I'm saying? So blue jays represent a fearlessness, and that's what you should attack your problems and go full steam ahead with what you're trying to do. And y'all know I'm always talking about self improvement and bringing that self improvement into the dating advice that I give. Okay, so that's why I'm talking about this. All right, this all ties in to that totality of self improvement and dating advice. Okay, this will help you read things before it happens. So fearlessness. So just like when I was seeing a lot of Blue Jays, it was during the springtime. Okay, and I was thinking about what I should talk about on my YouTube channel. Cause I think I took a hiatus, and I didn't know if I should keep talking about YouTube or if I should continue doing YouTube. Um, because I was trying to figure out how to monetize YouTube, but I didn't know how to do it with the amount of views and people that, or I didn't know if I was helping people with the information I was giving, or if nobody was watching the information I was giving. And then I would see blue jays after, like if I was walking to the store, because Walmart wasn't too far from where I was at that point in time. So I would walk to Walmart, grab a couple things, and then along the way I would see blue jays. Okay? That's what was going on. So it was just bringing reassurance. Hey man, keep doing. That's when I started looking into my life path number, my natal chart, and uh, yeah, I found out a lot of things about myself. Um, when I was seeing the Blue Jay, so it brought that clarity. It brought that clarity to me. I wasn't even expecting. Okay, it was just a question led me to seeing Blue Jays, and then I received some answers that I didn't even know was connected to it. Um, but yes, those are just a couple birds that I've had experiences seeing. Now one thing I do want to look up is vultures. Okay, it's a lot of vultures out here in Missouri, especially when I go fishing. And what there are cranes, the birds that walk along the edge of water bodies. When I be out there fishing during the summertime, I see a lot of cranes. Um, I want to look into what they mean too. So as I figure out more stuff, I'm gonna bring this information to you guys. So if y'all come across, because y'all gotta understand, we come from different walks of life and different times. But I'm gonna let that sit on your head. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here. Hey man, I hope this helped. Go ahead and hit the like button. Check out the products below in the description box. And subscribe if you're new. Peace, y'all.